Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Goto Meeting Scheduler. This is a software that is designed for persons that don't want the fluff when it comes on to creating an online meeting. It is straight to the point, easy to use, and beginner friendly. All you'll need to do is go onto goto.com. Then from there, you can tap on Try Free, and you'll be able to create an account using your email address. After creating your account, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you have a few options. If it is a case that you would like to keep a meeting right now, you can tap on the drop down arrow in line with Create, then you could select Instant Meeting. After selecting Instant Meeting, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. Once on that new dashboard, from there you'll be able to grant access to your camera and other platforms. For example, you can grant access to your camera and microphone, and you can also add in the persons that you would like to have the meeting with. You can select your microphone right there, and you can also select the speaker once other persons have been added. And just like it is with other meeting platforms, you will be able to change your background and so much more. So you can see how the layout will look right there for an instant meeting. Now, if it is a case that you would like to schedule a meeting, you can tap on Create once more in the top left hand corner. Then you could put in the meeting title. And if it is a one-time meeting, you can select the date that it will be held, and you can also select the time that it will start and the duration. If it is a case that you would like to create a recurring meeting, you can also do that by selecting Reusable Meeting Room. After doing that, you'll create a link that never expires, as you can see right there. Then you can scroll down and you could add co-organizers, you can add persons. You can also tap on Show More Options and then scroll down. And if it is a case that you would like to enable break rooms, you can do that by toggling it on. And if you would like to enable end-to-end encryptions, you can do that also. So you can see there are quite a few features that you can use. Now, once you have created your meeting, in the future you can keep track of your meetings by going over to the left-hand menu option. You can select Past, and you'll be able to see the past meetings that have been recorded, as you can see right here. You can also keep track of the different rooms by selecting Rooms, and you can tap on Create a Room if you want. And that's basically it. If we were to go over to the top right hand corner and tap on My Profile Pic or My Initials, you can also change whether you would like it to show available or away or do not disturb or appear online. So you can change any one of these modes by simply tapping on your profile pic in the top right hand corner. You can also edit the settings by tapping on Settings. From here you'll be able to connect your calendar, whether that is your Office 365 calendar or your Google Calendar. You can also change the appearance from dark mode to light mode if you want. So you have quite a few options, and you can also edit the meeting a bit. So for example, you could change your password. You can also edit the attendees option and a few other options. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button